So it's especially more important to have a good following distance in the wintertime.
Estás manejando muy cerca de mí. No manejes tan cerca de mí.
The best advice to give to anyone about backing up is get out and look and go slow. You got a car standing right in the middle and really can't seem to get there. Right in the middle. You got to be very, very careful. Slow way down. We're stopped on the interstate. Be very careful, please. Slow down wherever you do. Got that steer tire off on that left shoulder in that sand, and I grabbed him and threw him, rolled it over, flopped over in the hammer lane on the opposite side there, killed him when he flopped over.
I think the main cause for rollovers is the guy's driving too fast and the corner creeps up on him, and he's got a high top heavy load, and he puts the brakes on. By then the load's already shifted and it's already starting to lean that way, and then by the time you realize what happened, it's too late and the load flops over on him. You're better off to slow down into a corner and then give it a little gas on the way around.